how are you? Welcome to my channel. This is my wig I made. If you're interested to see how I did it, just stay tuned. I am using Freetress braid crochet hair, 22 inches, and I am using a regular crochet cap. As you see, I'm thinning those pieces out as thin as possible so my wig can look as realistic as possible, not overly thick. I want it to look natural. The goal is to separate this hair without tangling and without disturbing the curl pattern. Once the hair is disturbed from the curl pattern, the curl is not coming back. This is synthetic hair. With this wig, I am filling every square of this cap. My previous wigs, I gapped and spaced out the hair. It still turned out really nice, but in this one, I want every single square to be full. So this wig will look very natural when the wind is blowing. Sometimes I have to use my toes, chin, mouth, knee joints, whatever I need to do to separate this hair without it getting tangled. I'm using really thin pieces, really thin. The thinner the better, because when the cap is all full, it's going to be so thick. Make it as realistic as possible. And I'm using the traditional crochet hook technique, pulling the hair through the cap, grabbing it and pulling it through the loop 2 or 3 times and pulling that strand of hair all the way through. On my last few wigs, I did knots. I tied them by hand in knots. And I don't think it really matters which technique you do, but I find this was actually quicker. I made the strands for the front pieces even smaller because the crochet cap has smaller squares in the front. But now I know I should have just went with the same size because I think it's a little thin, and I'm actually going to go back and add a little hair in the front. I'm using electric clippers to get the shape that I like. This ended up being 2 bags of hair, I think. I'm not even too sure. And all the tangling of the hair when it separates, you have to throw that hair away. So I still need to go back and add in the top a little bit to thicken it up. This will be the finished look for now. Like I was saying earlier, I am going to go back and add some more hair in the front. I want the front to be a little bit thicker so I can actually wear me some parts with the illusion covering all that cap. Yes, so I'm loving my wig. As you see, I'm enjoying this. Hopefully you learned how to make a crochet wig if you ever want to, or let me know if you'd like to purchase you a custom wig from me. And with that, Be blessed.